Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walmart and we are here to do our weekly rebate haul. It is bright and early and the lighting is not flattering to me, but it's pretty early in the morning. So we're going to go in and we are going to be utilizing a ton of the rebate apps. Swagbucks, Checkout 51, Shopkick, Fetch, all that jazz. And of course Ibotta. So I do have a midweek moneymaker bonus for $3 when you get 6 offers. So I will be doing that. There's an Ice Baby bonus, but mine is $5 for 22 offers. And I only have until the end of the week to do it. And I won't be able to finish that. So I won't be doing that, unfortunately. But I'm going to show you a few deals so that you can possibly reach that bonus if you would like to do it. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box to help you plan your trip or to help you out in store. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So first you're going to start off, first we're going to start off with a Shopkick bundle. The Shopkick bundle is for Hallmark items, and we're going to start off by grabbing one of these bags here that are for 33 cents. I'm gonna grab the one that looks like a candy cane. We have to grab 3 different items. Next, you'll wanna grab these ornaments. They're $4.48, and this is where I found mine at my store. So always check around if you don't see them at first. Last year I got this guy when we had a deal like this. So this year I'm gonna get something like this or like this. And if you don't want to hang it on a tree, you can always get something like this and put it on a little boy's present or something like that. So anyways, we're going to grab this for $4.48. Then you'll want to find a 98-cent card. Typically the stores will have a display, but I can't find one. But I do see a lot of 98-cent cards mixed in. So I'm going to get something like this. And then that's going to bring our total to $5.78 for everything. Now you're going to get back 1,550 kicks for getting all 3 of these items, plus 45 scan kicks in store. That's going to equal out to $6.38, making all 3 of these free and a 60-cent moneymaker, which is, of course, amazing. So I just wanted to give a little update before we go, so you don't spend an hour scanning cards for your scan kicks. All 3 items that I picked up gave me the scan kicks, even the little 33-cent bag, so you're good there. Next, we're going to get the Alka-Seltzer Plus for $6.62. We have a $2 coupon from the 11/6 Smart Source. Then we are going to submit our receipt to Ibotta for $3.50 back. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Shopkick for 810 kicks, 800 buy kicks, 10 scan kicks, which is $3.24. That's going to make these free and a $2.12 moneymaker. Now you know I love me some Safeguard, so this deal is a really good deal, but it's only on these 2 here. So we're going to pick up 2 of these for $2.97. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Shopkick for 510 kicks. 500 scan kicks, 500 buy kicks and 10 scan kicks. That's going to make these 47 cents a piece. So I'm going to get 2 kinds. Now this one is only going to count for 1 Ibotta offer. And don't judge me, I cannot find the elf. This is like the 3rd time I bought this thing. I keep misplacing it so no one can find it, and I can't find it either. So next we're gonna grab the Merci chocolate. We're gonna grab 2 of these blue kind here for $6.78 a piece. 2 of them will equal out to $12.96. We're gonna submit our receipt to the coupons.com app, and we'll get back $1. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Swagbucks and get back $7. That's a really bad shot. Then we're going to get back $1.75 for each one on Checkout 51, making both of them just $1.46 instead of $12.96. So I think that's an incredible deal. Next, we're gonna grab some Finish because if we can get dish tabs really cheap, we need to do it. So we're going to grab one of these for $3.34. I have another new Finish coupon reimbursement on coupons.com for $1.50 back. Then we're gonna submit our receipt to Ibotta for $1.25 back, making these just 59 cents. Next, we're gonna try this Chloralen. I've never gotten this before, so we're gonna grab this for $2.47. We're gonna submit our receipt to the coupons.com app. Then we're gonna also submit it to Ibotta for $1, making it just 47 cents. And I think that is a very good deal. And I've heard good things, I just have never gotten it. So next we're gonna grab some oatmeal. And you wanna grab this smaller box, and I'm trying to grab, I'll just grab this one, I guess. So these are priced at $3.23. There's a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta for this. So then, and that would make this just $1.73, which I think is a really great deal. We'll definitely eat this, and it'll make it a cost, but you know what, that's okay. So next we're in the freezer section. Hi. And we're gonna grab some cones. We're gonna grab the Klondike cones. So these are priced at $7.98, which I would never pay, but look at these big guys. They look amazing. So these are $7.98. We're gonna submit our receipt to Fetch Rewards. We'll get back $3.99 just from Fetch Rewards. Then we're gonna submit our receipt to Shop.with. We're gonna get back 1,200 buy kicks and 20 scan kicks. That equals out to $4.88. That's gonna make these free and an 89-cent moneymaker. Definitely grabbing these. And that cookie one is mine. So I think we're gonna call this good today. We've got dessert, breakfast, cleaning products. We got a gift card, we got some medicine. I think it's a pretty well-rounded haul. I don't like getting hauls that are so heavy on just one thing. So I like to give you a variety, but I'm really happy with this. This is only 5 rebates back. I am going to purchase a gift card, which I did show you in a video, but you know what? I think I'm going to just do a YouTube short, just so that I can always refer you back to that if you need to know how to do that. So anyways, let's go check out and see how everything goes. All right, guys, so we're back in from Walmart, and it is such a weird, dreary day that it's making my face and under my eyes look dirty. But I promise I'm not dirty. It is so windy, and I had to come home and use the facilities because I couldn't wait any longer in the Walmart parking lot. So we're at home, but it's super windy. And I mean, we have like a wind warning where we're gonna have like 50-mile-per-hour winds. So the truck may shake, you may hear an excessive amount of wind chimes, but it's all good. So we are back in, and I didn't have any problems. I only used one paper coupon, and I used a couple of coupons.com app coupons, so everything was fine. So my total for everything after my one coupon was $46.33. I got back $7.27 in regular rebates from Ibotta, and I got back my $3 midweek moneymaker bonus. I also got a surprise bonus that I didn't realize I was even, tracking for, was 50 cents for the Quaker oatmeal. So instead of getting $1.50 back, I got $2 back on the Quaker oatmeal, which is nice because $2 off Quaker oatmeal is a very good deal. Then I got back $7 on swag bucks for the Merci candy. That came back totally fine. I've been submitting through Tada, which is just basically a more streamlined app that will connect your My Points or your swag bucks or your inbox dollars. So that's what Tada is. Then I submitted my receipt to Checkout 51, and I should get back $3.50 for each one of the chocolates. Then I got back $3.50 from the coupons.com app, and that money is already in my account. I literally scanned my receipt to the coupons.com app, and then I went out and went to Fetch, and it already gave me a notification that the money was put in my PayPal. So that's awesome. Then for Shop Kick, I have 4,245 kicks that I earned today, and that equals out to $16.98. Then I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards, and I got back $4.17, mainly for the Klondike cones. And then I also synced my receipt with Brand Club, and I should be able to do surveys for the Alka-Seltzer, $4.75, $2 for the Hallmark ornament, 50 cents for the Quaker oatmeal, and 50 cents for the Safeguard soap. So that makes everything free. Just going through my head really quick. So that makes everything free and a $4.32 moneymaker. If you don't have Brand Club or don't use Brand Club, I know it's really slowed down because the surveys have changed, but there's still some savings there. Then it would just be a slight cost, which I think is a really good deal considering the few things that we got today, which is not a big haul, and I'm good with that, with it being around the holidays. But that chocolate will be good to have out for the Christmas parties. Of course, a cute ornament. Then we've got cleaners, dishwashing. I already went over all that, so you know what I mean. But anyways, guys, that is really all I have. It's short and sweet and to the point, and I'm gonna go do some more shopping now. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.